Hey guys, how's it going? What's happening? How we all doing? Crazy dump day to be honest, and we were calling this the other day actually. Let me know how everyone's doing. Did you guys trade today? I typically don't really like NFP days to be honest. Are we in for the almighty of dumps today? We clear at this level. I mean, we were saying this before that if it did take out here, there was a lot of singles here. Well, it wasn't really singles, but a lot of untraded areas, so the markets just blew right through it. We've not got a lot down here to be honest, so we could, if we break these levels, it could be night night. Samar, how's it going, dude? Yeah, hopefully it continues down, mate. This sell off has been massively, coming to be honest. And we were saying as well the fact that the market's really traded out this area here. It's unlikely to go back down here, so sell off is planned. Well, most likely not planned, but we're really expecting a dump to happen. You know, starting the month sell offs and all that. Let me know how you guys have been doing, how your session's been. Yeah, exactly. I can imagine anyone that basically pressed the buy button today got annihilated, to be honest. Just a complete dump the whole session. No, just no buying. If we take out this low here, we're going to see some more downside. We're not seeing a huge amount of size come in, to be honest. We're going to need to see some negative delta to come in to blow through this. Or, of course, the bid could be pulled. So we'll see what happens here. Considering the POC is just up here as well, which is not a great sign because normally the market, a POC will be up somewhere around here, and then the market reverses towards it. The fact that the POC is right here, we could very easily have some continued downside because we need to go all the way back up to like 60s and fill that out in the last couple of hours. We could just literally range around here considering POC's down here for the day, which changes the dynamic ever so slightly. So hope everyone's having a happy Friday. You guys got some nice shit planned for the weekend. Doing something exciting. Hopefully not looking at charts too much. You're going to meet some friends, meet your spouse, hang out with your partner, whatever the case may be. Spend some time with the kids. Today reminds me of the other dump. If you remember the day we going straight dump 1,000. Yeah, is that the? I don't think it's on this chart, but it was a Monday, wasn't it? Right, where like the world was ending and we're nearly hitting limits. Is that the day you're talking about? The fact that we took it this low, we were discussing this in yesterday's stream. That if we do take out this level, then this thing can really go. Blackjack's your friend and partner. Nice. Yeah, mine's poker. Well, if you're not playing online and you're playing in some, some relatively favourable games, because the online one is just punting. The rules are extremely unfavourable. Or are you going to be counting cards at a live place? We're starting to see a little bit of buying come in here. Some size hitting. The offer's still absorbing. If we can take this out, we'll maybe retest POC at 22s. But look at this in the offer. Some two-way happening right now. Yeah, he literally did say the world was ending, Samar. They're hitting limits, the world's going to crash. We've seen a recession and the market went bid for like 12 days in a row, literally. Right now we're just basically selling off. Everything is always slightly delayed. We'll see if the market can recover here, because it's certainly, the market loves to recover on down days, but you know yourself that certainly some squeaky bum time over the weekend for people that are net long if they're still holding those long positions. And if we basically take out this low here, it's people are definitely starting to get a bit squeamish, because if we then start to take out 60 and 70s down here, because if we basically take out this low, there's just nothing to protect it here in terms of volume. So the next target is 70s if we can, but is there going to be enough oomph that comes in? So we've seen buyers then try their lift in with 300 contracts, offer still happy to absorb. So they need to crack 19 and a halves to try and reclaim a little, but it's not looking fantastic at the minute. And it's not like this is a massive negative delta day. I mean, it was here. So if we have a look at the amount of selling that has came in here, and the market has just went straight bid, right? Tons of buying coming in, and it's really did absolutely nothing. The offer has just absorbed all of this. So these guys, if we do plug these lows, are going to have to be basically sell their positions in essence. All right, okay. So you definitely won't be able to bet then, that's for sure. So we'll see if we're going to dance around. This will be an interesting level. It's going to get quite tense if we do approach down to here. So watch this level because there's a step below here. So watch this level. This needs to be protected by buyers, this level. And buyers also need to break here. This is the last price where buyers got to, and it was like 400 contracts absorbed in the offer at 19 and a half. So this is the key range right now. Whoever breaks out of this will maybe see some upside, but then there's POC chop where it could basically fade back down here. If we do break here, then all hell breaks loose. A lot of the buyers basically need to start covering, but you can see they're showing some strength. There's a 400 lot shown down here, and this is actually real. The ghost algo is still up here. I think the more that it absorbs down here, and then if we do crack 19 and a halfs, then we can have a bit of recovery. But the more it consolidates at the lows, um, there's definitely some strength showing down here. So this 400 lot, we'll see. We'll see if that goes to get tested. But because this is showing down here, it makes you think that there could be a lot of large orders down here just to basically they hit down, absorb on the bid, and then ram it back up. But we'll see what happens. Certainly not looking fantastic for longs at the minute. They need to break 19 and a halves first for this to really do anything, to be honest.